In the latest edition of Life Lessons, which we ought to just call Don't Mess with the Chiefs, time for Life Lessons with Leabo, brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia, home of the 90-day money-back guarantee. Super Bowl 57 was hanging in the balance when Patrick Mahomes limped off the field before halftime. Things looked bleak for Chiefs Kingdom, but a long halftime gave them a chance to right the ship. The offense was nearly perfect in the second half, and the defense did just enough for them to get the job done and win it all again. Now, whether there were tons of doubters in the offseason or not, the Chiefs were motivated by what they saw, and it helped drive them.
The AFC West said we were rebuilding. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what rebuilding means.
The offseason is already underway, so there's plenty of work for the front office. The players, on the other hand, are going to celebrate. Face it, Kansas City, the Chiefs have become the enemy of the NFL. They win, and they have fun doing it, and they're just fine with that.
Run it back! Run it back! Run it back!
Brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia. Get a 90-day money-back guarantee on new vehicles when you buy from Brogden. Visit BrogdenAutomotive.com.